Hello. Today we're going to talk about why your enterprise AI bill keeps rising, even as model prices fall, and the 3 operational changes that actually fix it. The enterprises winning on AI costs didn't find better rates. They made 3 decisions that most organizations have never made. Not every task needs your most powerful model. A reasoning AI costs 20 to 50 times more than an extraction AI. Yet most deployments send every task to the same model. In one financial services rebuild, splitting tasks by capability cut monthly inference costs by more than half. The compliance team noticed nothing. Finance noticed the next invoice. A monthly total tells you what you spent, not what you got for it. Tracking cost per document, per workflow, per decision changes everything. In one deployment, an internal reporting pipeline was consuming 40% of the AI budget and delivering the lowest business value on the system. Nobody had seen it because nobody had ever looked at cost by workflow. A 15-minute weekly check on 4 numbers: blended cost per workflow, drift, and whether the capability split is holding, turns AI spend from reactive to managed. Without it, the invoice is always the first signal something went wrong. At agentic consumption volumes, that's an expensive 30-day lag. One operations team redesigned their reporting pipeline to run on a lower cost tier. That function's monthly AI budget dropped 60%. The contract review team got more headroom for work, producing real commercial value. And if you want more insights on topics like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.